I need to stop doing that, dude. I keep like doing average everyday things and then moaning. Like I'll sneeze and then I'll moan. I'll eat a bite of something and then I'll moan. I'll take a sip and then I'll moan. It's like it's getting out of hand, dude. I was at Moist Critical's party over the weekend, and I was playing beer pong. And I would like throw the ball, and if it landed in the cup, I'd be like, and people would be like, huh? Hey yo! It was fun. But anyways, let's continue. Let's watch the next daily dose of internet chat. Let's forget everything that just happened within the last minute. I'm gonna come.
Rank 'em, John.
I gotta stop moaning on stream. I gotta stop doing that.